Hello everyone, this is Joseph with Hyundai Dodge Ram's Commercial Truck Department. Today I got a gas-powered Ram 3500 4x4 regular cab, 84-inch cab to axle. Guys, this truck is perfect for those of you that maybe have diesels and you're done with them, or maybe you're just looking for a truck, your business is just starting, you want something with some high payload numbers, and it's a little bit less expensive than the diesels, just to kind of get you going. And this is that great option. It's bright white in color, has a chrome appearance package, comes with fog lights, comes with running boards, comes with the trailer tow mirrors. And right now I'm going to show you guys the window sticker real quick. MSRP of $62,115 for 2026. It is a lot less expensive than the diesels, and you still get that 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Now on that MSRP, we did put dual fuel tanks. Guys, gives you a lot of runtime with this. 74 gallons of gasoline you can put in this truck. And guys, this will take 11 or 12 foot bodies. If you have any questions about the bodies, please feel free to email me or call me. I'd love to go over any and all options. We can build one that's best suited for your vocation. Kind of go through your interior here. Your standard tradesman level 1 interior. And guys, if you have any questions, 661-398-0264. I'd love to go over all those questions and answer them for you. And as always, have a great day.